Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we learn how to make pasta paratha from leftovers. Today I would like to give a shout out to Radhika Balaji from Radhika Bala channel from Vietnam. She's a wonderful, kind person. If you want to visit Vietnam or learn about Vietnam, you need to see her channel. Let's get started. Here I have leftover pasta with vegetables. My kids and husband are bored of eating it. So this is what I will be doing now. Now I have this pasta here that's been 2 days old in the fridge. I'm taking onions. I'm taking a little bit of oil, paratha masala and regular old wheat flour. Along with that I'm taking cumin and ajwain, and then I have cilantro, and then I have salt to taste. So let's get started. Now I'm going to blend all this pasta along with vegetables in the blender. Yes, it sounds funny, but it works, believe me. So now I will be blending it in the blender till it becomes a smooth paste. Once it is a smooth paste, you don't have to add water. Whatever water and sauce is in the pasta, that is good enough. Once it becomes a smooth paste, now we'll see what I'll be doing. I'll be turning off the blender and I will be adding all the dry ingredients first. I'm adding the salt, ajwain and cumin seeds into the chapati flour or whole wheat flour, and I'll be adding a little bit of oil into it. You can add oil later also, that is fine. Once I start mixing it, now I forgot to add paratha masala. That's what I'll be doing now. I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of paratha masala. You can add or you can even skip this step. That is totally fine. Cumin and ajwain will give a good amount of flavor to the paratha. Now once I mix all the dry ingredients well, I'll be adding onions that I have cut into small pieces. You can skip adding onions, but actually adding onions gives it a very good flavor. Now I'll be going ahead and adding the cilantro that I chopped into small pieces. Once I add this in, now I will be adding the pasta mix, the pasta blend that I had put in the blender and made it into a smooth paste. It looks weird, but the outcome is really good. You should try this recipe. You will not waste pasta or any leftover again, ever. Now this is the dough that I made out of the leftover pasta, wheat flour, onion, cilantro, ajwain and cumin. Now let's get started. I'm going to make parathas with this. This is like making any regular old paratha. No big rocket science in here. Only thing is the paratha will not be very thin or medium thin. It will be slightly thick because we have added onions and then there is pasta here. This pasta and vegetable mixture that I put in the blender actually makes the paratha very soft and really yummy because it has its own flavors, and plus we have added onion and cilantro and paratha masala into it. Now my paratha is almost ready. I will be cooking it like how you cook regular paratha. No big rocket science over here. Give it a try. It's really good. Now this is how my paratha looks like. I'm using sesame seed oil here. You can use mustard oil or even butter to cook these parathas. Make sure you add oil on both the sides. Do not skip adding oil because oil, even a little bit of oil, makes it very crispy. I use the squeezy bottle. That's what I'm trying to say over here. And you press this paratha gently using a spatula. It's really good because once you press the paratha, it becomes crispy on the outside and kids love it. Here is my chai getting ready for morning breakfast. My kids loved it. Nobody could ever say that this was from leftovers. Yes, I disguised everything so well. I only revealed the secret after my kids and my husband had already eaten the breakfast. Here you go. This is my paratha with a little bit of butter and leftover tomato chutney. It tastes really amazing. You have to try it. It is a must-try recipe, at least once when you have leftover pasta. Thank you so much for watching. Enjoy, try this recipe, and let me know. Thank you so much. Bye bye for now.